Break down. To stop working. For example, my car broke down on the way home.
Take off. To leave the ground and begin flying. For example, the plane took off on time.
Look after. To take care of someone. For example, she looks after her little brother.
Break up. To end a romantic relationship. For example, they broke up last month.
Look into means to investigate something. For example, the police will look into the case.
Put on. To place clothing on your body. For example, he put on his jacket.
Give back. To return something to someone. For example, she gave back the book to her friend.
Hang up. To end a phone call. For example, she hung up the phone.
Keep up. To stay at the same pace as someone. For example, I walked faster to keep up with my friend.
Go over. To review or examine something carefully. For example, she went over her notes before the exam.
Bring up. To mention a topic. She brought up an important issue.
Fill out. To complete a form with information. He filled out the application form.
Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. For example, they get along very well.
Run out of. To have no more of something. For example, we ran out of milk.
Look for. To search for something. For example, she is looking for her keys.
Work out. To solve or understand something. For example, I worked out the answer.
Grow up. To become an adult. For example, he grew up in a small town.
Turn down. To refuse or reject something. For example, she turned down the job offer.
Set up. To arrange or prepare something. For example, he set up. He set up the equipment for the presentation.
Take off. To leave the ground and begin flying. For example, the plane took off on time.
Come across. To find something unexpectedly. He came across an old photograph.
Come across. To find something unexpectedly. He came across an old photograph.
Call off. To cancel something planned. For example, they called off the meeting.
Find out. To discover information. For example, she found out the truth.
Find out. To discover information. For example, she found out the truth.
Put off is to delay doing something. He put off his homework until tomorrow.
Give up. To stop trying. For example, he gave up after several attempts.
Pick up. To lift something from the ground. For example, she picked up her phone.
Turn off. To stop a device or light from working. For example, he turned off the lamp.
Run into. To meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the supermarket.
Dodge, to quickly move aside, to avoid something. For example, he dodged the ball.
Whisper. To speak very quietly. For example, she whispered a secret to her friend.
Stumble. To trip or lose your balance while walking. For example, he stumbled over a stone.
Retrieve. To get something back. For example, she retrieved her phone from the table.